Children, good morning. Welcome to the class. So we'll continue with the grammar, ma'am. We'll do the second activity in the third lesson. That is question I will read it. Add the correct ending punctuations, then write whether the sentence is declarative, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. So we have to write the correct punctuation at the ending, punctuation mark at the ending, and then we have to write whether it is declarative, interrogative, or exclamatory, or imperative. Okay, children? First one, where does your dad go hunting? So we should write here a question mark, and this becomes an interrogative sentence. Second one, oh no, exclamatory sentence. Next one, shake the salad dessert for me. So we are ordering someone, we are requesting someone, keep a full stop here, and it is a imperative. Who threw the baseball through the window? Question mark, and this is an interrogative. What kind of company does your dad own? This is an interrogative. I never get picked to play with them. I never get picked to play with them. I never get picked to play with them. This is a declarative. Was that, and that was unfair. This is also a declarative. Hooray! This is an exclamatory sentence. So children, look here in page number 10. Here one picture is given. So we have to write in picture whatever it is there. We have to write here. Okay. Look at the picture given below. Write down different kinds of sentences based on it. So we have to write some sentences seeing into the picture. And then we have to write whether it is what type of sentence is it. So for I have written it on the board, children. Please copy it down. First one, there are some children in the park. So we can see some children in the park. So we can see some children in the park. That is a declarative sentence. Then there are 3 girls and 2 boys playing. So 3 girls and 2 boys are playing. That is declarative. Is the girl skipping? Is the girl skipping? It is an interrogative sentence. Then who is on the slide? Who is playing on the slide? It is also an interrogative. Next, They are all playing and enjoying. All of them are playing and enjoying. It is a declarative sentence. Please write it down in your notebook and textbook also, children. Homework, write copywriting, ma. In copywriting book, you write 2 pages. 2 pages and post it in the WhatsApp group. TV sound వస్తుంది. Okay children, with this we have finished the third lesson. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, bye.